Thank you. You're done? Order, order, honorable members, order. Honorable members, order. Thank you, Honorable Minority Leader, for your very spirited statement. I agree with the facts, as you have said. You wrote to me, that is true. I brought the matter to the floor, that is true. I allowed debate, that is true. I promised a ruling, that is true. That I didn't give a date for the ruling, that is also true. And subsequent to that, I also recall seeing you on TV, beyond the debate, talking very animatedly about the same matter which was out of order, but I didn't bring it to your attention. I have listened to you, and I want to assure you that the Speaker is not going to be part of any parochial politics. The Speaker is not going to be part of the management of any affairs of any party or any coalition, but the Speaker is also enjoined in the oath he took to protect and defend the Constitution, and will do so without any fear or favor or prejudice. The ruling that you are seeking is its final stages by the team that works with Mr. Speaker, the Office of the Clerk, and it is equally true that it will be delivered, and I can assure you that I'll deliver it tomorrow, and you will get the contents and the outcome of. So let's not be unnecessarily agitated. We want to have a house run with decorum. You yourself, as the leader, has confessed on the floor that you have been away for quite some time. And indeed, I asked about you and your chief whip on the floor of the House, because I would love to see vibrant debate, presence of leadership. It is you, the leaders of this House, that holds your member on the floor of the House. When you exit, they follow you. So I want to encourage you and your deputy, who is here more often than yourself, that we should have all of us here. And I want to encourage you, honorable members. There is a walkway out there. We have good gardens in the Parliament. We can pick it out there. Please give this House the dignity, the decorum that you carry for the people of Kenya. Because nobody out there will be impressed by you as an elected member. When you stand up and throw your arms in the air and shout at the top of your voice, you demean the very stage of this House. Honorable, and I have tremendous respect for you, and nobody will intimidate you in my presence. Yes, so don't cry about intimidations. Honorable Ichungwa, your counterpart, is not in the business of intimidating people, and I will not allow him to do so either. So it is so ordered. Order. If Wamboka, you have been a victim of Ichungwa's intimidation, you come and tell me, I'll protect you. Let's go to the next order. We are now going to question time.